Well, hello and welcome back to the start of another YouTube video, and you join us here. You join us here at the home of DMH Electrical Renewable, where we actually do have our own renewables system installed. On the roof we have our 18 GA solar panels, and they feed down into our very own Anker SOLIX X1, where we actually have the UK's very first Anker SOLIX PowerDock Pro 3-phase ATS backup gateway installed. And that is the reason behind this video. I want to show you the new backup gateway from Anker SOLIX, the PowerDock Pro, and take you through the benefits that this system might now be able to offer your home or your business. So, a quick run through of how our system works. Up on the roof we have 18 JA 455 bifacial solar panels. That gives us a total of 8.2 kilowatt peak from our array, and they come to here. They come to our Anker SOLIX 3-phase unit, which is an 11 kilowatt inverter. It's actually operational, and it is here on our demo wall alongside some of our trusted brands. Coupled to it is 10 kilowatt hours of battery storage, and that allows us to generate, store and consume our own electricity here at the DMH office while we are completing your proposals or answering your phone calls. So why the X1 for the DMH office? Well, yes, we needed one here on our demo wall. It's one of our trusted partners and products that we install on homes and businesses across the northeast in the UK. But we didn't really know what we were going to need power-wise. Yes, we knew we needed a 3-phase inverter. Yes, we knew we wanted it here in the demo room, but we didn't know what we wanted battery storage-wise. Currently, we have 10 kilowatt hours, but because of the Anker's modular approach to how its battery storage is, we can stack multiple batteries up into this system all the way to 30 kilowatt hours as our business grows here and our power consumption increases. So the modular approach, the design aesthetic, and the overall system performance and functionality that this system offers us here, or your home or business, was really a driving force into why we chose the Anker SOLIX X1 for the business. We've had it probably here now 10 months, and I am more than happy with the performance of it. Fantastic system, looks great here in the office, and these now have built-in AI monitoring. What this system can now do is it can look at our energy profile and our consumption here in the office. It can also actually integrate into our Octopus Energy Agile account and pick out the best times of the day to store energy to sell later, or the best times of the day to buy cheap energy and store it here in the 10 kilowatt hours worth of battery. As a package, does everything you would ever need from a battery storage system with solar PV. It's also, in our opinion, one of the best looking, only being 150mm deep from the wall and not a white box as some of its competitors are. And now let's get to the main crux of what this video is all about. It is this. This is actually the UK's first installed Anker PowerDock Pro 3-phase ATS backup gateway. We've seen these from many other manufacturers before, but this for us has catapulted Anker SOLIX into the forefront of what they are now able to offer for UK homes and businesses. It has already had a fantastic product in the Anker X1 with its multi-size inverters, its modular battery design and its aesthetics that it offers. What it has is an all aluminium construction. From the front door, the same anthracite grey as the X1 itself, through to bottom or rear entry already provided. Switchgear inside it from Chint, 2 inverter outputs, so you can have 2 Anker X1s running from this for parallel systems, doubling your inverter output size if you require it. A smart port that third-party solar can wire into, as well as many other things that I am aware of in the pipeline with that smart port, such as generators and other bits and pieces which will be announced shortly from Anker. But what this now offers is a full holistic approach to a full home backup, full battery storage capability, including solar PV. And if we couple this with their V1 car charger and go with the entire Anker package across your business or home, you will get possibly one of the best experiences on the market, whether it be from the app, the battery storage, solar, the AI integration into energy provider tariffs, and now this, the backup gateway, PowerDock Pro from Anker SOLIX. Well, there we go. That is a full run through of our renewable system at DMH Electrical Renewable with our Anker SOLIX X1 11 kilowatt inverter, 10 kilowatt hours of battery storage, and the new to the market, first in the UK, 3-phase PowerDock Pro backup gateway from Anker. This building now remains on and operational in a power cut. If you would like a newly installed Anker system for your home with a PowerDock Pro or without a PowerDock Pro, or you would like a PowerDock Pro retrofitting to an existing Anker SOLIX system, then please do head down to the link in the description and fill out that contact form, and we can take you on your own renewables journey. Thank you, and see you in the next one.